Hi everybody, welcome to the first episode of the WordPress No Code Show, in which I will tell you why WordPress is amazing as a no code tool. So let's start from the beginning. Why people don't like WordPress as a no code tool, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. And in my opinion, is first and foremost the fact that you have to do a lot of coding around or handling a lot of technical stuff around the initial installation, how you even set up your workstation to work with it. And so that's the first thing that we're going to attack. And by attack, I mean I'm going to give you an amazing, completely 100% open source, maybe not open source, but free option to work on WordPress right in your computer. Sorry, and this is it. This is local by Flywheel. Flywheel is a hosting company, so actually pretty good hosting company. So if you would like later on to push your live website from local, you can do it like in a couple of clicks, and you got it. Your website right into the air fairly quickly. So what you would like to do, or what you want to do, is first and foremost download this local lightning, which should be this is like an open version of the previous local. Don't download the free download, because this is gonna, it's a big bulkier app, and it's gonna be significantly slower. This is their beta version, like 2.0, and it's much better. And once you get here, you can choose your platform. Mine, I'm on a Mac right now, so you add a couple of details and you get your download. Now, as soon as you get your download and you install it on your system, what you're going to get something like this. And what this is your main app, where you can handle and manage a website. So here you're going to be clicking on the add local site to add a new site, and we're going to add a new site right now. So the WordPress no code show, that's how we're going to call our website. Now usually you have advanced options here. They are regarding the type of stack or type of PHP that you need. If you go with the vanilla straight up version that the wizard will give you, you'll have no problem at all in 99.9% of the cases. So just don't worry about the advanced options. Although if you want me to, I'll go over them on another video. But let's now go with the basics. So I'm going to click here, continue, and invalid domain. And the local is already taken by another site. Oh, I might have tried before. So I might have tested this before, so I'm going to say show with a 0 just for the heck of it. Again, as I said, you don't need to worry about this. And also, if you want to connect it eventually to a Flywheel hosting account, you should go with the preferred version. Here you're going to use your name, so I'm just going to use my name here, and I'm going to use this also as a password. And you do want to put your email here, since you're changing things, or you want to do something and you want to test forms within your website, then you want to have an email so you can do that testing. So just might as well. And you click add site. It's going to provision for a while. It's literally taking seconds. Started up the site, and it's going to ask me for my credentials. I don't think that happens on Windows, but it's installed in Windows, and that's it. We have a live WordPress site ready to work with. So you can go either way. You can go admin or view site. So let's click the admin right away. since we do not want to wait. And I'm going to double click here, add my password, and that's it. I'm inside. I'm not going to save this. You can go on and install things. Let's look on our brand new site. As you can see, it goes like super quick. So that's it basically. That's the first video. And very simple, very easy to use. Let me go back into the dashboard. What I wanted to show you here, no, nothing else, just a standard WordPress installation. The last thing that I'm going to show you though on local on the app is that down here you will see something that you see this live link. You enable that, and what this is going to enable you is going to take this little link and it's going to convert it into a live link where you can see your own website. Now this means basically, let's go, I'm going to go quickly here into pages. I think this is the main page. Let's see, we say hello world. Now let's go into the posts. So I just want to show you how quickly, yeah, that's the one. So let's do something like this. I'm going to update and I'm going to click here, and you'll see this was also updated. And the crazy thing is this is not really connected to any installation. So if I go here incognito and I click on it, I can actually see the local site because this is not on the internet, right? So this is a way to allow people to watch your progress. If you want to show your clients, instead of bringing your own computer, you can always check this link, and it's good for like 24 hours. If you go to the ngrock.io site, you can make you can pay for like a premium service, and then you can have longer tunnels, they call them. But that's it. With the free one, you can use it for like a day, and it's a great way to show on a live computer how your website looks, even if you're not using your own machine. So this is it for the first episode of the WordPress No Code Show. In the next episode, I'm going to show you the way to both go native on WordPress and build pages, and also I'm going to use obviously a page builder. Probably I'm going to use Elementor because I like it so much. And yeah, that's it. If you have any suggestions, any questions regarding the video, just leave them down below. Please, if you enjoy this show, if you enjoy this video, subscribe, like, all the stuff that YouTubers say in order to enlarge their channels. And yeah, if you don't like the video, thumbs down, and you can swear a little, I don't know, as much as Google allows in the comments, and tell me why you think this video was garbage. Okay, great. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.